Namo Buddhaya. We're actually all fools into thinking that our life is ours, that the things we own is ours, that our children, our spouses, they all belong to us. Because the Buddha explains, Putta matti dhanam matti iti bahalo vihanyati. You see, the fool thinks, this money is mine. My children, they're mine. Who thinks like that? The fool. Attahi attano natti kuto putta kuto dhana. You see, when oneself is not even one's own self, what is there more to say about children? What is there more to say about wealth? You see, even our own self, ourselves, we can't control. Every day, every moment, we get older. Can we ever say, may I not get old? Don't you have moments when you're really sick and there's no one there to help you? At that point, you feel so down. And then by the time we get healthy again, we forget the fact that we're subject to sickness. You see, our life is just that full of conceit, of arrogance. But the Buddha explains this arrogance is something we don't need in our life. What we need is to see the reality of life and to accept it. If we live by the reality of life, that's when we can truly be happy. Namo Buddhaya.